So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete or remove your Microsoft account from your system. So this will be a step by step, so make sure you stick till the end of this video so you won't miss out any other step. So how to do this, let's get started. First open settings and then click on accounts. You'll find an option which says sign in with a local account instead. Just click on this and it will ask you to enter your password. Just enter your password here and then restart your PC, and hopefully you will see that your account is removed and you're signed in with a local account. So yes, this is how you can remove your account. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.